Hey everybody, my name is Ethen Ostroff. I'm a personal injury lawyer. I'm the owner and founder of Ethen Ostroff Law. I'm here today to give you mistakes that I see clients make that really hurt their personal injury case. Before I get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow along, and I'm about to dive into it. Let's do it. Number one, seek treatment early and often and show up. If your case is a soft tissue case, so for example, you didn't break a bone, you didn't need surgery, you didn't have a catastrophic injury, if you do not go to treatment, you will not feel better or get your case paid. This is mistake number one, not showing up. Number two, not preserving the evidence. Let's take a slip and fall, for example. Let's say that you tripped and fell in a parking lot and you broke your wrist. Take a picture of that right away. If you go and call a lawyer a week later and then that lawyer goes out to that parking lot, it may be paved over. Good luck getting good evidence. If you don't document the scene, preserve your evidence, if you have proof of notice, if you have proof that that should have been fixed and it wasn't, especially in cases like premises liability, which is slip or trip and fall, you may not have a case. Make sure to preserve that evidence. Number three, talking about the case on social media. I can't even tell you how many times that I have seen plaintiffs hurt their personal injury case because they use some sort of social media post that gets used against them at trial. You're allowed to live your life. You're allowed to go for a run. You're allowed to go on a roller coaster. You're allowed to do all these things that a normal person that didn't go through what you went through. I can tell you, if you post something that maybe you pushed through and you went and did publicly, maybe you played in a soccer game because you felt good that day, and there's video of that soccer game, and if you say, I was in pain for a year, and you're out running in a soccer match that's posted on Facebook, you know, that can really hurt your case. Even if you played through an injury and you felt 80%, and if you have a smile on your face and you are being active and you do something on social media to show something contrary to what you're claiming in your personal injury case, it will be used against you, I promise you. Number four, don't accept a quick settlement. After your case gets started, if you are unrepresented, especially, insurance companies will call you early, often, dozens of times a day to get you to try to accept a quick amount of money that they say will disappear if you don't accept in a week. They're totally allowed to do that, but if you fall for it, you may be cutting yourself short on your injury case. And once you sign off on that release, you're done. You get no more money. So don't settle quick. Be advised by a lawyer to make sure that you are taking your case seriously and handling it the right way. In conclusion, personal injury cases are complicated, difficult, painful, and horrible to go through. You have to relive something that you went through that may have caused you physical pain. Don't do things that will reduce what you went through and give the insurance companies an out from paying you what you deserve. Before you leave today, make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow along where I, Ethen Ostroff, will make sure your future personal injury case is protected. Thank you so much for being here today.